Dada? Yeah. Where's Dada? Freya, where's Dada? Where's Dada? What you doing? Freya. Hi. Hi. It was Bustafa's birthday, and Freya got to try hamburger and potatoes, and it was a really great time. And after this, we went to the farm the next day with Ryan, Freya, and myself, just the three of us. Freya, what is that? Are those goats? What is that? What is that? Look, she's smiling.
You like the goats, Freya? Yeah.
Oh, you got licked by the goat?
Did the goat give you a good lick?
What is that? What is that? Don't point her fingers. They're not torn. What's that? Look at her face. What are these guys? What are these guys? What are they? What are they, Freya? She loves them.
Oh, don't grab its ear.
Freya absolutely adores animals, and it's the cutest thing. She's not even afraid of them. She's never even really seen many animals before, but she just absolutely loves them, and it's just the cutest thing ever. And this goat here was like so creepy, just like kept staring at us, and we were like, what the heck? So we had to take a video of it. Don't eat her hands, please. Do you want to hold her for a little bit? Freya.
There is no biting.
Freya, what is that?
What is that? What is that, a sheep?
Freya meets a cow. Don't let her fingers get too close because he has massive...
Look at his big nostrils, Freya. He's got a big nose.
Freya, what is that?
A big nose.
What is that, Freya?
You want to go see the sheep? Yeah.
There's a little pony right there.
Oh, little pony. Freya, look, the pony. Freya.
She's too focused by the sheep. Look. Oh, she noticed it. She's
Look
like,
at the pony.
No, she's eating the fence.
Look at the pony, Freya. What's that pony's name?
What is that, Freya? Is that a pony? Is that a sheep?
Is that a sheep?
And little goats?
Is it gonna lick your face?
What is that?
You getting excited? Getting excited? Yeah. Look.
Freya!
Here. Oop. Oh, oh, pet the sheep.
Now you make noise.
Freya!
Did that goat? Buck, 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 buck. Buck.
She's like, where is that coming from? Go.
Freya, what is that? Freya, what are these?
Whoa.
Say hello.
She loves it.
Hey, this one. No, go up. Go up. Yeah. Whoa. Closer. You wanna have some, guys?
Freya, what is that?
Freya, what was that? That's what a sheep sounds like, Freya.
Beep beep.
The sheep goes baa.
Ryan got salty that I didn't take many pictures of them, and it was just videos, so I made up for it and took a bunch of pictures of Freya and Ryan, and it was such a cute little family day. I'm very glad that we got to do this. It was a great time for the three of us, and we're gonna do stuff like this every weekend from now on because it's starting to be nicer outside, so there's much to look forward to this summer. I feel so bad. Freya kept getting the sun in her eyes, but she absolutely hates the sun hats and absolutely hates sunglasses. She just keeps ripping them off her face. But she was very lathered in sunscreen and was in the stroller for most of the day unless we were showing her the animals. Like, just look at her face here. She loves animals so much. It's so adorable. Freya was being a little model on the hay, and she absolutely loved it. Now on to Mother's Day. Ryan got me a beautiful locket with pictures of me and Freya inside of it, and I had Freya and I have these matching shirts, and I absolutely thought it was adorable. And then Ryan and I went to see Guardians of the Galaxy 3 after this Mother's Day brunch, and it was an emotional roller coaster. I cried like 5 times, he cried 3 times, and there was some really good food here. And we put Freya on the slide, and it was just a very good time. It was not very long, this brunch, but it was still fun.
This is going to be a challenge, but we're doing it. Whee! Oh, that burns.